Hey there. So, have you ever noticed that as you age, things don't look quite as sharp as they used to?
You know what I mean. Maybe you or someone you know is dealing with cataract, the clouding of the lens in your eye that makes everything look blurry. It's frustrating, right? Especially when you feel like your vision is one of the most important things you rely on to enjoy life.
If you're over 60, chances are you've heard of cataracts, or maybe you're even dealing with them right now.
And honestly, it's more common than you might think.
But what if I told you there's a way to protect your eyes and even slow down or prevent cataracts from progressing?
This video is for anyone who's worried about their vision, or for those of you who already know about cataracts and are looking for ways to address them without jumping straight into surgery. In the US, cataracts are one of the leading causes of vision loss.
But the good news is, you don't have to just sit back and accept it. There are actually things you can do right now to protect your eyes, and I'm about to show you how. We'll talk about what cataracts are, why they happen, and then dive into natural remedies that can help you protect your vision without the need for immediate surgery. So, if you're worried about cataracts, or if you're trying to prevent them from getting worse, keep watching. Let's get into the basics.
Cataracts, also known as clouding of the eye lens, are a condition where the lens inside your eye, which is supposed to be clear, starts to get cloudy. It's like when your camera lens fogs up. It's the same idea, except instead of moisture, it's your body aging, which causes your lens to deteriorate over time. But let's take a closer look at what happens with cataracts. The lens in your eye is what helps you focus on the world around you.
It works like a camera lens focusing light onto the retina, which then sends signals to your brain, allowing you to see clearly.
But when cataracts develop, the lens becomes clouded, preventing light from passing through properly, which makes your vision blurry and cloudy. It's not just something that happens to older folks either.
While cataracts are much more common as you age, people can develop them at any time, depending on factors like health issues, lifestyle, or even family history.
In fact, over 24 million Americans over the age of 40 are affected by cataracts, and this number is only going to increase in the coming years as the population continues to age. And the worst part, if you don't address it, cataracts can become more severe, and without intervention, it could lead to complete blindness. But here's the thing, it's not the end of the world.
You don't have to give up your vision just because you're getting older, and you don't have to rely on surgery right away. There are natural ways to protect your eyes and even slow down the development of cataracts. Now, let's talk about surgery. When cataracts become severe, many people turn to cataract surgery as the go-to solution. And yes, it's one of the most effective treatments out there. They remove the cloudy lens from your eye and replace it with a clear artificial lens.
Seems like a simple fix, right? But here's the catch. Like any surgical procedure, it comes with risks.
After cataract surgery, around 42% of patients end up experiencing dry eyes. 20% develop a droopy eyelid, and even more might experience floaters. Those little spots or strings that float across your field of vision.
They're pretty common, especially after eye surgery, and can be annoying or even distracting.
So, while surgery can definitely help, it's not without its complications.
It's important to be aware of that before you make your decision.
But don't get me wrong, surgery is a great option if your cataracts are really bad.
It can give you back your sight and help you live your life without struggling to see. However, there are other options available that don't involve going under the knife right away.
If you catch the cataracts early enough, you can actually use natural methods to slow down their progress and protect your vision.
And that's what we're going to dive into next. Now, let's talk a little bit about why cataracts develop in the first place. The underlying cause of cataracts is something called oxidative stress.
That's a big term, but let me break it down for you.
Essentially, when your body has high blood sugar levels, which, let's be honest, a lot of us do, especially as we get older, it creates oxidative damage in the body. Think about it like this. If you leave a metal object out in the rain, it starts to rust, right?
Well, your body and your eyes can experience the same kind of damage. When your blood sugar levels are high, they create free radicals, which damage your cells.
This is what causes the breakdown in the lens of your eye, leading to cataracts. Now, here's the thing, our bodies actually have a defense against this oxidative damage. They produce antioxidants to help fight off that damage and keep our cells healthy. But as we get older, our bodies produce few antioxidants. Plus, if our diet isn't great and we're eating too much sugar or processed foods, those antioxidants aren't as effective as they should be.
So, oxidative stress is a major contributor to cataracts. But that's not the only factor at play.
If you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, you're at an even higher risk for developing cataracts, and that's because high blood sugar levels cause more oxidative damage. The good news is that you can take action to reduce oxidative stress and prevent cataracts from progressing too quickly.
So now that we know why cataracts happen, let's talk about what we can do to prevent them.
One of the most effective ways to protect your eyes is by increasing your intake of certain plant compounds that are packed with antioxidants. These compounds can help fight oxidative stress and protect your eyes from the damage that leads to cataracts.
Specifically, I'm talking about carotenoids and anthocyanins.
Carotenoids are plant pigments that give fruits and vegetables their vibrant red, orange, and yellow colors.
You've probably heard of beta-carotene, which is found in foods like carrots and sweet potatoes, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which are found in dark leafy greens like spinach and kale.
These carotenoids are powerful antioxidants that can help protect the lens of your eye from oxidative damage.
They can even reduce the risk of other eye conditions like age-related macular degeneration, which is a condition that affects the retina and can lead to vision loss. But there's another group of antioxidants that's equally important, anthocyanins.
These are the pigments that give fruits and vegetables their red, blue, and purple colors.
Anthocyanins are found in foods like blueberries, blackberries, red cabbage, and even grapes. These compounds have been shown to reduce oxidative stress, protect the lens of the eye, and even improve night vision.
If you're dealing with cataracts, adding more anthocyanin-rich foods to your diet is a great way to support your eye health.
Now that we know all about carotenoids and anthocyanins, I've got a super simple remedy for you.
This is something you can start doing today to protect your eyes and fight off cataracts. It's a berry kefir shake.
Here's what you need: 1 cup of mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, whatever you like.
And then 1 cup of kefir. Blend them together and boom, you've got a delicious antioxidant-packed drink that's great for your eyes. Now, why kefir?
Well, kefir is a fermented dairy product that's loaded with probiotics, which are great for your gut health. But it also has a good amount of calcium, which has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts. Plus, kefir is easier to digest than regular milk, and it's packed with all kinds of beneficial bacteria that can support your immune system and overall health. It's a powerful tool in protecting your eyes and fighting oxidative stress. If you've never had kefir before, don't worry. It's similar to yogurt, but it's a bit thinner and has a slightly tangy taste.
Just blend it with the berries, and you've got a nutritious, tasty shake that'll support your eye health. If you want to take things a step further, there are a few more things you can do to protect your eyes.
For example, you might want to try using NAC N-acetylcarnosine drops. NAC is an antioxidant that's been shown to help reduce the progression of cataracts. It's been used for years as a natural remedy, and it's available in eye drop form. These drops can help reduce oxidative damage in the lens and protect your vision. Another great option is to eat more eggs, particularly the yolks. The yolks are packed with carotenoids, anthocyanins, and other nutrients that are fantastic for eye health.
And don't cook the yolks too much. Runny yolks are actually the best way to get all the benefits from these nutrients.
Eggs are a natural superfood that can give your eyes a real boost. So, let's recap. Cataracts don't have to control your life. You don't have to just accept blurry vision or jump straight into surgery.
By taking care of your body, improving your diet, and adding more antioxidant-rich foods to your routine, you can protect your eyes and slow down the progression of cataracts. Start by eating more carotenoid and anthocyanin-rich foods, drink a berry kefir shake every day, and use NAC drops to help protect your eyes. Taking care of your vision is one of the most important things you can do as you age.
You don't have to wait until it's too late to make a change.
Start today, and your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can get more tips on how to stay healthy and live your best life. I'll see you in the next video.